Meaning of democracy.
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 Democracy. Democracy is a form of government where power is held by the people, typically exercised through elected representatives. The result of democracy is a society where all individuals have a say in how they are governed and who governs them. This results in a system where decisions are made after input and debate from a diverse range of perspectives, as opposed to a system where power is concentrated in the hands of a select few. Democracy promotes equality, freedom, transparency, and accountability, which leads to a more stable and just society.